Hello, what's up everyone and welcome back to Digital Creations. Today's Photoshop 2025 tutorial, we are going to learn the new enhanced remove tool. So say goodbye to distracting elements like wires or people in your photos with a single click. Now guys, let's check it out, this example, and I downloaded this image from adobestock.com. Go to tool panel and here I'm going to select new remove tool, and upside in the option bar you'll see new options are available. First, let's check it out, find distraction option, and here one click removal you will see wires and cables and people. So I'm going to select people, and look at this, it's automatically select the people backside, and I'm going to hit enter. And look at this guys, this is magic, and let's check it out, another example. And in this picture lots of cables there, and same, select the remove tool in the tool panel, and I'm in this time we're just going to select wires and cables option, and look at this, just one click and you'll see the magic, and it is very good, so easy to use. You can use these mode of options here. I'm going to select this auto, may use generative AI, and you can use sample all layers. And look at this guys, all the distractions are removed. And this is the quick and short tutorial of Photoshop 2025. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel Digital Creations. Thanks for watching.